Welcome to our guide on converting your Google Play balance into redeem codes. Let's start by understanding what Google Play balance is and its benefits. Redeem codes are special codes that allow you to unlock content, subscriptions, or services within Google Play. They offer flexibility in how you use your balance. To convert your Google Play balance, you first need to access it through the Google Play app. Here's how. Keep in mind that there are restrictions and limitations when it comes to converting your balance, which we'll discuss next. It's crucial to check if your balance is eligible for conversion. Let's explore how you can verify this. Now let's go over the various methods available to convert your Google Play balance into redeem codes. Here are some helpful tips to ensure your conversion process is as smooth as possible. Be aware of the common pitfalls during conversion so you can avoid them and have a seamless experience. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions about redeem codes to clear any confusion you might have. In conclusion, managing your Google Play balance effectively can open up a world of options. Happy converting!